Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jantek Industries product demonstration video series. My name is Kelan, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Jantek Industries Energy Miser picture window. So right here is the picture window. What we're going to do is break down the window into a couple parts, its frame, take a look at its features, and I'll explain its functionality. A picture window is a non-operating window. Doesn't open, it's glass welded into a frame. The frame is fusion welded, which eliminates any separation at the seams, and then you have the glass here. These are usually decorative windows. Some of the features that come with it, you could get it in double or triple pane glass. They come with grids. Right here we have an example of what prairie grids look like, which are grids that go around the perimeter, but you can get any pattern of grids you like. Now we're gonna take a look at the exterior outside of the Jantek Industries Energy Miser picture window. So the same setup as the interior. You have your fusion welded frames. Obviously this has a display of grids. Again, grids are optional in a fixed picture window. Some of the hardware that you do see are the weep vents down here at the bottom, which will help drain any water that were to incur at the bottom of the window frame. For more information on the Energy Miser picture window, such as the performance spec sheet, go to the website jantekwindows.com. On the product page, you can download the product sheet for your records. Also, if you're interested in getting an estimate for replacement windows or patio doors, make sure to utilize the tele estimate feature on the website. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Kelan, and we'll see you next time.